Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best multimeter under $100 that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the ANENG digital multimeter. This versatile tool is packed with features, allowing you to measure AC, DC voltage, current, resistance, continuity, and diodes. Its user-friendly display is clear and easy to read, making it ideal for quick and accurate measurements. Safety is a key focus here, with double fuses for overload protection and insulated probes for safer operation. The compact and lightweight design also makes it perfect for carrying around and using on the go. In terms of performance, the ANENG digital multimeter delivers solid results for household outlets, automotive battery testing, and basic troubleshooting. Its precision probes are great for detecting small changes in voltage or current, though it may not pack quite the punch of higher-end models for more intensive tasks. The inclusion of a silicone protective case and pre-installed AA batteries adds convenience right out of the box. While this multimeter is a reliable choice for casual users and hobbyists, professionals might find its range somewhat limited. The lack of advanced features like temperature measurement or auto-ranging keeps it in the entry-level category. Overall, if you're looking for a simple, budget-friendly multimeter for everyday electrical tasks, the ANENG is a solid option. Pros include affordability and portability, while cons are its limited feature set and lack of advanced functionality. At number 4, we have the AstroAI Digital Multimeter Tester. This multimeter is designed for versatility, capable of measuring AC, DC voltage, DC current, resistance, and diode tests. Its sampling speed of 2 times per second ensures quick readings, and the backlit LCD display with 1,999 counts provides clear visibility, even in low light conditions. Safety features include double fuses to prevent burnout and a silicone protective cover that helps reduce damage from falls. When it comes to performance, the AstroAI excels at household electrical troubleshooting. It's great for testing batteries, automotive circuits, and charging systems. The inclusion of convenient features like data hold, auto shutoff, and continuity buzzer adds to its user-friendly nature. However, it's worth noting that this model cannot test all AC current or very low AC voltage below 100 millivolts, which might limit its utility for more specialized tasks. The AstroAI offers excellent value for its price, particularly for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners who need a reliable tool for occasional use. Its compact design and thoughtful safety features make it a great starter multimeter. Pros include its affordability, ease of use, and safety features, while cons are its limited AC testing capabilities and lack of temperature measurement. Coming in at number 2, the Klein Tools MM325 multimeter is our budget pick and an excellent option for those looking to get reliable performance at a low price. This manual ranging multimeter measures AC, DC voltage up to 600 V, DC current up to 10 A, and resistance up to 2 megaohms. It's packed with convenient features like a backlit display for visibility in low-light environments, lead alert LEDs to ensure proper test lead placement, and a kickstand for hands-free operation. The battery test mode is particularly handy for checking if your batteries are in working condition. In terms of build quality, the MM325 is rugged and durable, built to withstand drops up to 6.6 feet. It's designed for residential, business, and light industrial applications, making it perfect for casual users and DIY enthusiasts. While it's not auto-ranging, its manual functionality is straightforward and easy to grasp for beginners. The MM325 delivers solid performance for basic electrical troubleshooting, but it lacks some advanced features like temperature measurement or capacitance testing. Pros include its affordability, robust construction, and user-friendly design, while cons are its limited range of features and manual ranging functionality. If you're on a tight budget, this is the multimeter to consider. And finally, at number 1, we have the Klein Tools 69149P Electrical Test Kit. This premium option offers a complete package, including a MEM300 multimeter, a non-contact voltage tester, NCVT1P, and an electrical outlet tester, RT105. The multimeter measures up to 600 volts AC-DC voltage, 10 amp DC current, and 2 megohms resistance, while the NCVT1P provides audible and visual alerts for voltage detection. The outlet tester identifies wiring faults, ensuring comprehensive diagnostics for household and professional applications. The build quality of the Klein Tools 69149P is exceptional, with durable components designed to withstand regular use. The multimeter's backlit display and kickstand enhance usability, while the NCVT1P's high-intensity LED ensures reliable voltage detection. The inclusion of batteries and test leads makes this kit ready to use right out of the box. This test kit is ideal for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts who need a versatile, reliable toolkit for electrical troubleshooting. The combination of tools ensures you're well-equipped for almost any task, from checking outlets to diagnosing wiring issues. Pros include its comprehensive functionality and premium build quality, while cons are its slightly higher price point compared to individual multimeters. If you're looking for the best value and versatility, this kit is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.